I've been investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF of VOO for the past 2 years and 8 months, achieving a 31% return rate so far. If you are into building wealth through steady, consistent investing, you are in the right place. Let me share how my portfolio has been doing over the past 3 weeks. Over the past 3 weeks, the market felt like a heart-stopping roller coaster ride. It all kicked off with the launch of DeepSeek, a Chinese AI model that shook up the tech world and sparked a global sell-off. While the S&P 500 eventually inched up by about 0.5%, the journey to get there was anything but calm. There are moments where volatility soared to nearly 3.5%, and in one unforgettable day, Nvidia lost the jaw-dropping $589 billion in market cap, a record loss that never been seen before. I can totally imagine that if you are heavily invested in individual tech stocks, those wild swings might have kept you up at night. On the flip side, sticking with a total market index fund gives us peace of mind, and it actually turned out to be a great opportunity to snag more shares at a discount. I made my weekly $50 purchases on January 21st, 27th, and February 3rd, and now I've accumulated 16.4 shares valued at $9,041. That put my unrealized profit at $21.41, a roughly 31% return. Taking a step back to look at my overall investing journey, I've noticed that a choppy market can sometimes delay hitting new all-time highs. And you know what? That's totally okay. We never expect the market to go up every single week. As you can see from this chart, after every major dip comes a fresh high. So just sit back, relax, and let time work its magic. If you are new to investing and want to give a shot with a small starting fund, why not join me on this journey? All it takes is just $50 a week, a bit of consistency, and some patience. If I can do it, you can do it better. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.